Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to use Find My iPhone. Now, before even finding your iPhone, you must first enable these options in your iPhone in order to actually find the iPhone. So all you do is tap the settings option of your iPhone, then click on your name at the top of the list to enter your iCloud login details. Then scroll down and tap on Find My. Then just click on tap on Find My iPhone. And after that, on the next screen, make sure that your slider beside the Find My iPhone is green. Also enable Find My Network and Send Last Location. So make sure these settings are enabled on your iPhone. Now, once all of these settings are enabled and let's say your phone lost or it is misplaced, all you have to do is just simply open Find My iPhone from your iCloud from any other device which will be having the same Apple ID in both of the devices because that is required. So open a different device and now over here just simply log in with your Apple ID. Now over there you will be able to see your device as you can see that over here. And now in order to check the device and the location of the device, you could see all of that on the map over here. Now if you click on the device, you'll be getting few options like play sound, lost mode or erase iPhone. So if you click on the play sound option, you can just simply play a sound which will go on for a long time and it will not stop until you tap any button on your phone. The next option is lost mode. So if you enable this option, the phone will be locked and cannot be opened by someone else if it's lost. And let's say if you want to erase the entire data of your iPhone, you can just simply choose the last data, which is erase iPhone, and all the data in your iPhone will be erased. Over here you can see the exact location and last time it was logged in, and even the battery percentage. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do not subscribe to our channel and take care.